Script, Wikipedia cracks down on the use of AI in article writing. March 27, 2026. Wikipedia cracks down on the use of AI in article writing. Wikipedia cracks down on the use of AI. Auto-scheduled script. Have you heard about Wikipedia cracks down on the use of AI in article writing? This is one of the biggest AI updates of 2026. Today we are going to break it down, simply, clearly, in a way that actually makes sense. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Urdu Mein or AI. Today's topic, Wikipedia cracks down on the use of AI in article writing. Let's get straight into it. What is this? Why does it matter? And how can you use it today? What is it? Wikipedia cracks down on the use of AI in article writing is a new AI feature that is changing how people work with technology. It is available right now, and in many cases, completely free. Why does it matter for you? For students, this helps with assignments, research, and learning. For freelancers, this saves hours of work every week. For business owners, this automates tasks that used to take all day. How to get started? Step 1. Open Claude.ai or ChatGPT.com, free account. Step 2. Try the feature yourself, start with one simple task. Step 3. Build from there. The more you use it, the better you get. The people who learn AI tools today will have a massive advantage tomorrow. This is not the future, this is right now. If this video helped, like it, share it, and subscribe to Urdu Mein or AI. Comment below, what AI tool do you want to learn next? Allah Hafiz.